Grillin with Tom McMayer Hardware. Sizzle, smoke, and flavor in the air. Tools and tips to fire up your feast. Join the fun from west to east.
Hey, we're grilling fish tonight on the Blackstone. Love this grill. I can't say enough about it. If I had to cook fish, out of all of my grills that I have a Weber Q, a Weber Kettle, and a Green Egg. This is my go-to each and every time. So tonight I'm going to go through what I do when I get home to prepare, cook, and eat. You can eat within 15 minutes. So let's get grilling. All right, so it's time to start seasoning the fish. Got the apron on. Dad, Father's Day's coming. Good time to buy a grill, I'm just saying. So, with the cod, lately, you can do whatever you want. Your imagination runs wild. I've been poking it just to let what I'm going to do soak in. I've been using soy sauce. Here it is. And I just basically marinate it for a little bit. Just let it soak. For the salmon, my almost wife, she just wants salt and pepper. So that's what I do. I give it a little olive oil. And I do the skin side also. She doesn't like it heavily seasoned. She just wants to taste the salmon. So all we do is a little salt. A little pepper. And that's what she likes. The cod, we're going to do rub me some fish. We sell it at the store. I've been using this lately. It's quite tasty. I just season it. It has salt in it, so we don't need salt. And I actually do both sides. And a little pepper. And a little garlic. We just let it sit here for another few minutes while the grill is heating up. All right, let's put them on the Blackstone. We'll give it a little squirt of olive oil. People tend to panic that the fish is gonna stick. I promise you, not on the Blackstone. Absolutely, I haven't had it stick yet. So, 2 pieces of salmon. I usually go skin side down first. And then with the cod, there is no skin. There we go. Typically, for this thickness, I'll go about 4 minutes on each side. All right, it's time to flip. It's been 4 minutes. Notice how they don't stick. So easy, so simple, healthy, and timely. So with the cod, I drizzle a little ginger sesame sauce on it. There we go. And we'll let them go for another 4 minutes. Okay, total of 4 minutes on this side. We are ready to take them off, and it is dinner time. Notice, 0 sticking. 2 pieces of salmon and the cod. A little fresh basil to make it look pretty. And we are ready to eat. Seriously, 15 minutes, healthy, quick, and easy. I absolutely love this thing. And if you eat enough of it, you might lose 76 pounds yourself. You never know. But I absolutely love it. It's very, what's the word I'm looking for? Therapeutic for me. Love grilling, love the Blackstone. Good time to come down and have a look at the store. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Grillin' with Tom at Mayer Hardware. Sizzle, smoke, and flavor in the air. Tools and tips to fire up your feast. Join the fun from west to east.